Hey guys, today is a snowstorm and we're supposed to get 12 to 14 inches of snow, and work was canceled. All schools District 196 are canceled. I'm gonna show you what I do on a snow day. I'm ready for the day. Noah's gonna come over and we're probably just gonna cuddle, watch movies. It is already coming down with snow. Every time I go to this window, Ramon comes to look with me. Hi. Can't really tell on video, but it's snowing. For lunch, I'm gonna have a margarita pizza, and I'm gonna share it with Noah and my dad. It's gonna be good. My outfit of the day, my jeans are from Hollister. My shirt is from a thrifting app, I think, and it's polo. Fit check.
How long does this pizza take? How long do you cook it? 9 or 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
I'm vlogging today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
What's going on, vlog?
Our margarita pizza is ready and it looks so good. I always eat like a ton of pieces.
Until I come along and take out the pizza myself.
Don't try to take it.
I'm not gonna take it. I'm not taking your ball butt. What do you mean, please?
His teeth. Snow update. Ah! We're in the snow. My hair's gonna get messed up. Can't even see.
I'm blind.
Let's see if Ramon sees us and goes by the door. Go play in the snow!
What?
Come on, Ramon! Chase him, babe.
You get wrapped up.
Yeah, he does that.
Come on. Over here. Over here.
He's fine now, babe.
What is this?
What is this?
What is this?
Is it fun? Are you in the snow, Ramon? Kids are playing on the lake. Ramon's loving the snow. Where is he? Aren't you Ramon? Do you love it? Babe, throw snow at Ramon. He's eating it! Is that good?
Come on.
Ramon! Babe, don't do that. Just pull. Oh. Is he humping it or is it just me? Ramon! Get it. Well, now you're making it lame, babe.
Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Fuck your life. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. What's up, baby?
He's like staring at a. He's like staring at a bug, whining, or something. I changed my outfit into something more comfy, and we're gonna watch the Grinch, and I'm wearing my Grinch PJ pants. I made us some rum hot chocolate. Come here. I've been wearing these pants for the past like week every day. Babe!
I'm wearing these last like few hours on me.
Tell me when you're done.
I will.
Ow. Don't give a bunch of adults a funny toy like this, because... Ramon, you want to put it on your face? No.
That would hurt him.
I know. Okay.
Ramon's looking at you.
I'll try to come up and play cards with me. People.
Alright.
Don't!
You always have to cheers, don't you? One big happy family. Mommy's sitting in between my legs. Look, his head.
Coraline.
Love that movie. My mom says hi.
Hi.
Ooh, 2 10s.
That's not good.
Oh, what?
The low numbers are the good ones. This you play right off the bat, because then we play.
You want to get rid of your card. Ready, set, go. Supposed to be flipping, babe. Darn it, Mom. I got it!
Oh, I bent the card.
Mine went right under yours.
He was a maniac. Come on, Noah.
Come on, Noah. You gotta go fast. You can't pick up the cards. Oh! Nice, babe.
You got me.
If you guys are wondering, we're playing Dutch Blitz. Me, Noah. Me, Noah, and my mom. Well, we couldn't watch The Grinch because
Maybe it's on Netflix.
I found our VHS case with no VHS in it. I really wanted to watch it with my Grinch PJ pants. Too much snow. Can't even get out of the driveway. The whole truck is covered.
Way up in the mountains, high ranges,
You got the Grinch today.
Yay!
town of Moville, the home of the Ghouls.
Wearing my Grinch PJ pants, watching The Grinch.